In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TurboScribe, a really helpful tool that lets you turn audio or video into text in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the dashboard, explain what the blog and FAQs tabs are for, show you how TurboScribe can be used, and then we'll check out the pricing and transcription modes so you know what to expect. And make sure to stick around until the end, because the way TurboScribe names its transcription modes might actually surprise you. When you first log in, this is the page you'll see. Right in the middle it says, "Welcome to TurboScribe," and there's a button that says, "Transcribe your first file." You can click that to start uploading, or just drag and drop your audio or video. Once it's uploaded, TurboScribe will quickly turn it into text. On the left, you'll see shortcuts like recent files and an option to create a new folder. This makes it easy to keep your projects organized. The design is very clean and simple, so even if this is your first time using a transcription tool, you'll get the hang of it right away. And trust me, once you see how fast the text comes out, you might not want to go back to typing notes by hand again. At the top of the page, there are tabs like pricing, FAQs, and blog. The blog is where TurboScribe posts updates, tips, and guides. If they add new features or want to share productivity advice, you'll find it there. And who knows, sometimes the blog drops little hints about features that are coming soon. The FAQs is where you'll find answers to common questions, like how long your files can be, what languages are supported, or how transcription works. If you ever get confused, this is the first place you should check. But stick with me here, because in just a moment I'll show you the different transcription modes, and they work in a way you probably haven't seen before, how TurboScribe can be used. Now let's talk about how you can actually use TurboScribe. If you're a student, you can record your lectures and upload them here. That way, you get a full transcript and don't have to worry about writing everything down during class. Imagine being able to just listen and focus, knowing the notes will be ready for you later. If you're a content creator, like someone making YouTube videos or podcasts, TurboScribe is really useful for turning your audio into text. You can then make captions, blog posts, or even translate it into other languages to reach a wider audience. And I'll tell you later exactly how many languages TurboScribe can handle. The number might surprise you. And for professionals, like journalists or business owners, it's a time saver. Imagine recording an interview or a meeting. Instead of typing out every word yourself, TurboScribe does the heavy lifting for you. You end up with a clean transcript you can review or share. So no matter what field you're in, it helps save time and makes your work easier. And just wait until you see the different modes, because they're actually named after animals. And once you hear why, it's going to make sense. One cool thing about TurboScribe is that it gives you different transcription modes, and each one is named after an animal. The first one is cheetah. Just like the animal, this is the fastest mode. It gives you a quick transcript almost instantly, but sometimes the accuracy isn't perfect. It's best if you just need a rough draft or you're in a hurry. Next is dolphin. This one is balanced. It's a mix of good speed and good accuracy. Most people use this mode because it's reliable for everyday work. And finally, there's whale. This is the most accurate mode, but it takes longer. Think of it as the careful one. Perfect if you need the highest quality transcript with the fewest errors. So depending on your needs, you can pick fast, balanced, or super accurate. Quick question for you. Which mode do you think you'd use the most? Speedy cheetah, smart dolphin, or careful whale? Now let's quickly go over pricing, because this is where people usually want to know, is it worth it? TurboScribe has a free plan where you get 3 transcripts per day, up to 30 minutes each. It's great if you're just testing it out or using it occasionally. If you need more, there's unlimited for $10 per month, billed yearly. This one gives you unlimited transcriptions, longer uploads, translations into over 100 languages, and faster processing. And if you're working with a group, there's the Teams plan at $120 per year. That gives multiple users unlimited access under one subscription. It's super useful for schools, companies, or any team that needs transcription on a regular basis. And that's it. That's a full look at TurboScribe. We went over the dashboard, the blog and FAQs tabs, how it can be used, the different transcription modes, and the pricing plans. If you want to try it out, the free plan is a good place to start. And if you're curious about just how much time you can save with this tool, I'd say give it a try and see for yourself. I hope this video helped you understand TurboScribe better. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.